Just had another elderly gentleman compliment me on my fine choice of automobile. He told me I need to keep it for a while and maintain it, and I will maintain it, but you know, little does he know that I got this YouTube channel thing going, and I'm gonna be donating it in like a month. So forgot my internal mic clip on my shirt, but you guys probably hear me because I got the windows rolled up. It's getting a little toasty in here, but we're at NTB. We're getting 4 tires put on this bad boy because the tires that are currently on the Lincoln are 8 years old. Please do not drive on tires that are more than like 5 years old. Well, if there's a bunch of cracks in the tread, like with my tires, get some new tires. Don't be like me. Wait till the very last instant before you're about to blow a tire. So let's go get some fresh rubber, and then we'll keep on cruising.
Would you just appreciate these 215 wide tires that'll squeal like a pig when you put it into a full Nelson and pin it to the ground? All 260 some odd foot-pounds of torque motivating this 5,000 pound boat. Got the fresh rubber. White wall strip is gone, sadly, but couldn't really find anything. And I mean, there's ways to add on your own white strip, but I might try it. We'll see what happens. But for now, these Cooper GLS tires, touring, looking pretty good. We'll get some driving around clips in another video. But the tires they're done. We just gotta plasti dip the body, and we will be almost done, almost ready to donate.